Hi, hey there YouTube. It is Monday, December the 3rd, 2018 at 9:45 in the morning. And you can see by this sign we are at Brazos Bend State Park. This is our first time here. Never been to this park before. It's way out in the country. This is the road that you come down to come here on. And this is the entrance right here. You see I got the car over there. And down here is the road. So we are here for the first time. It's supposed to be, wild alligators just running around, willy-nilly, freebie, and all of that stuff. We're going to hike some trails, and we're going to check out this park. So that will be this video. So stay tuned with me, and let's go check out the alligators at Brazos Bend State Park. All right, so here we are. We're on the 40-acre trail. This is where we're starting. Then we're going to take this over to the Elm Trail and then come back and complete this one. But look at all this Spanish moss in this tree. But this is the trail here. And if you can read that sign, you can see it says observation tower to the left. Caution, alligators do not feed or approach, of which we have no intention of feeding or approaching any. We see them though, obviously I'll bring them to you. Okay, so we've been walking a little ways, not too far on the 40-acre trail. This is what the trail looks like. A little bit thin, we've not seen any alligators. I have seen quite a few birds though. This is part of the lake, but anyway, so here's what's happening. A big observation deck. This is it right there. So we're going to go up that. That's supposed to be 40 feet off the ground when you get up there. So when we come, we're going to be going out that way. That's called the spillway. We're going to Elm Lake. Here, little sign, Brazos River floods. This is just about that. But we're going to head up this observation deck. Oh, and here you go. See, Brazos Bend right here. And you are here, which is this observation deck. And we started over here at the parking area. Well, actually, I guess right there. And then we came around, and here we are. We're going to go down this yellow one, go around Elm Lake, like so, come back across Spillway, and then come down and finish this out. So that's our plan. So let's head on up the observation deck and check it out. And here we are at the top. So again, that's the spillway. We'll be going down that. You can see this stuff out here. There's a couple people coming down the trail. And here we are at the top. There's a guy flying there. Hope you can see him. And there goes another guy down in the water flying. I think it was a heron, I believe. And then, like I said, when we finish up, we'll be going across that little bridge down there. You can see part of it there. And taking that trail out of here. So, this is the top of the observation deck. We are 40 feet in the air. And I ain't seeing too much wildlife here. Just those few birds. There's one flying way, way, way out there, but you probably can't see him. Alright, so we'll continue on and show you some more stuff as we come across it. Okay, so we've been walking down the spillway. We came from that direction. We came to this bridge right here that you can see. As we come across, take a look at this. Right there is one alligator right in the swampy mess. And right over here, he's got him a buddy that's there. So there's this guy, and then here, I'll get you as close as I can. And there you should, well, get out of the glare. Should be able to see that guy. What do you think of that? I mean, they're laying perfectly, so we've been here about 5 minutes. and they're still just laying here. They haven't moved, they haven't twitched, they've done nothing. But these are the first 2 alligators that we've run across in Brazos Bend State Park. So stay tuned for more. And just to show you, this is the bridge. We'll be heading right down there. You see all this Spanish moss. This is so very cool. And here, last but not least, I'll just give you a little bit of this side. I don't see anything over here as far as alligators or birds or anything else, but this is what it looks like. Alright, see you on the next clip. Alright, so now we're on the Elm Lake Trail. Started just a little bit ago. I don't know if you can see this little guy down in here or not. But I got some pictures of him. And this is the trail where we came from. This is just a loop trail. Now, way down there are some white egrets. Don't know if you can see them or not. And there's a opening right across the lake right there. And you see all this green stuff here. Just kind of looks like a bunch of muck. Stick out there floating in the water about there.
There's a hawk flying.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right up here. Right coming right towards us. There's a hawk right up there circling.
Oh, look. All the birds.
Oh, wow. Look at these guys. I guess all because of that hawk. Check that out.
Cool.
That was neat. Still a little bit of movement.
Yep, it's still moving.
Wow. Didn't even know they were over there. That hawk did us a favor. But anyway, there's some more guys out here. I'll show you a little bit of the trail. And I don't know, but if you see way down the trail, there's what might be a little bit of fall color still remaining here on December the 3rd outside of Rosenberg, Texas. But yeah, you can see all these little, I think these are coots, I think they call them. I'm not 100% sure on that. But let's see if maybe they fly or anything without intentionally scaring them. Looks like they're just going to swim, but that's okay. Oh, there's some guys flying. Yeah, some guys that got scared. All right. We've got some action. So hopefully you enjoyed that little show. See more Spanish moss still up in the trees here. And this is what the trail looks like on to our right. A little bit swampy over there, but we haven't seen any alligators so far in this section. We have seen 3 alligators in total so far. The 2 I showed you, and then there was one other that I didn't bother pulling the camera out for that. But let's keep going. As we run across more things, I'll bring them to you. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can tell or not, but more or less in the middle of the screen right over here across the water. That's alligator number 4. And right over here, right in that area, is number 5. And so it's funny, the one here on the left, he is facing left, he's looking that way. And this guy, he's looking that way. So they're the opposite of one another. As you can see, that guy's he's agreeing with what I just said. But that's numbers 4 and 5 that we've seen here. So trust me, you want to see alligators in the wild? Brazos Bend State Park, this is your place. To show you a little bit more of the trail here. And up here, even though it's not in the greatest of shape, there's still a little bit of reddish brownish fall color on that tree up there.
And it's reflecting on the water.
Yeah, it is reflecting a little bit, yeah. So I'll get up here a little closer to it, we'll shoot it some more and I'll show it to you there. Alright, so there you can see the tree and the reflection. Shows up nicely, especially with all the green. There's a little bit on that one there, but it's about dead, as you can see. But that one, at least that half, still looks really, really good. And then hopefully you can hear that guy up there. I don't know if he's approving or disapproving what we're saying or doing, but he's vocal. Let's say it that way. He's vocal Alright, let's continue on. See if we can get a little better shot of this thing. So right here, we're up just a little bit further here. We're maybe up 100 feet. But you can see some reflection through the muck. And then the tree itself, of course. And the sky. Looks pretty nice, right? Right here we got some yellow flowers on the bank. You can see a faint reflection of the red out there in the water. And then the tree there. So hopefully, I think I'm definitely getting the whole scene. That you should be seeing yellow flowers, the red slight reflection, and then the red tree itself. Alright, we'll try one more angle and then that'll be that. Alright, here's the last angle I want to shoot. Got a little bit of red in the water. And of course the tree right there. And all these little tiny ducks. So this is the scene. Hope you've enjoyed this part. Alright, so we're well on the other side of the Elm Lake. Got that really nice tree there. Starting with that, thought you liked that. Here you can see some of the water, hopefully, and some of those dead trees out in the water. And right here, we got this little tree. Got all kinds of Spanish moss on it. If you can see it, the sun might be a little blinding, but it is nice. Just slowly spin around here and show you. Right here, this tree is coming into view now. Yeah, you see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gigantic. Here's the trail. Look at this tree over here. Look how light green that one is. There's really nice trees over there. All the way back, really. But look at the light greenness of that one. That's so cool. And now here's what I want to show you. This tree here. Here, let me get in the shade to where this will white balance a little better. Alright, now, hopefully you can see this tree from the inside. Spanish moss hanging right there. Very cool, huh? Hope you enjoy that. And way down there is a little bit more fall color. And here, look, we've got all these little white flowers. Remember, it's December the 3rd, and we still got little white and yellow flowers that I've shown you here and there. Okay, last but not least, let's look over here. You can see the green tree to the right, the tree over there on to its right with the Spanish moss, but over here to the left. Get just a little bit closer to this, but we'll just walk up here.
It's loaded down, this Spanish moss.
And you can see, yes, as my co-walker here just said, this thing is loaded down with Spanish moss.
And then that one up there's dead.
Yeah.
So we got all kinds of trees.
So how cool is this? And yeah, that one right up there is one she's talking about is dead. So anyway, this is just more part of the trail, part of the beauty. I can tell you we're absolutely loving it. So right now I can already tell you, you don't have to wait till the end of the video. Highly recommend this park. If you ever get out here, make sure you come. Make sure you got plenty of time. Take your time. Enjoy it. All right, let's keep going. All right, we walked just a little piece, and check this out. This tree is covered in Spanish moss, and it is gorgeous. Oh, here, little yellow flower. So I get distracted. Walk in here, and let me show you this Spanish moss up close and personal. Look at that. All of this over here. See how thick that is? And all through this tree here. Let me walk under this just a little bit. Look up through this tree, through all these branches. Now, is that cool or is that truly cool? I mean, look all the way down through there. I mean, Spanish moss as it goes. And this way. Now, if you love nature, you've absolutely got to be in love with this. How cool. I love it. Alright guys, we've come back to the 40-acre trail here. This will be the finish. But you see that's the tower right up there that we were on earlier this morning. Right out here, if you can see, and I hope you can, right out there on that log, right in there, it's a little alligator. I mean, I'm going to guess just a little bit, not far from an expert. But, oh, look at this guy flying in. I think he's probably between 1 and 2 years old. But hopefully now you can see him. There he is. He's just a little guy. He's maybe, I don't know, I'd guess maybe 15 to 18 inches long. At best, he's just laying across a log. And he's just hanging out. So, I wanted to bring that to you. Here's the trail. Here's a lot more Spanish moss. And so we're going down this way. And we'll be finishing this thing out here in a little while. So if I run across anything else, I'll definitely bring that to you. Stay tuned. Okay, as we're walking along here.
Thank you for the warning.
Yeah, we saw that dog and
We didn't want your dog.
didn't want him to be lunch.
No.
Okay, look at right here. This is as close as we have seen these things. This one's got his mouth open. So we're just going to cruise by him. But look at that. I have never been this close to a real wild alligator in my life. This is the second one right here facing us. His eyes are open now. You just keep on sleeping there, dude, okay? Yeah, you just keep right on with your sleeping thing, okay? That's the two of them right there. And right here. Now this guy luckily is facing away from us, so he's a smaller one, look. He's not really a threat. He's actually thinking, do I have to run? Are these people going to eat me? Hey, dude. So this is 3 more. This is something like maybe 10 alligators that we have seen in the wild. Wow. And these so close. All right, guys. So hopefully the last thing I know you just saw was those alligators I just showed you out there in the open. But here we're at the very, very end. So I just wanted to show you this. We started this trail in the woods and we're ending it in the woods. But we're coming out, and yeah, I see the car over there. So, across this little tiny wooden bridge. That's the bathroom up there, the main building to this section. This is where we started right over beyond that fence. And I'll show you, this is the parking area, and our car right over there. So, we finished up the trail, and man, been very, very good. Like I said before, if you need to do this one, if you ever get here, you really do need to do it. You should do it. This is so far a great park. We will be back and we'll be making more videos. So stay tuned for those. Like this one, subscribe if you haven't, share it, all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next one.